How to use Millennium Bank app. I'll show you how to use the Millennium Bank app to manage your money easily. First, download and install the Millennium Bank app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log in using your client number, password, or fingerprint. On the home screen, you'll see your account balance, recent transactions, and quick actions like transfers or bill payments. To transfer money, tap on Payments or Transfers, choose the recipient or enter their IBAN, amount, and confirm using your PIN or biometric login. You can also check your cards, block or unblock them, and even set spending limits. Need to deposit or withdraw? Just tap Cash Services to locate nearby ATMs. Under Insights or Finance Manager, you can view your spending categories, budgets, and upcoming payments. That's it. The Millennium Bank app makes banking simple, secure, and fast. Thanks for watching.